Racing Jazz is started. There was his field. Jackie L.G. Gamboa, left unseated on top of horse, Rapid Minstrel. We have Green Street, break quickly at a start, moving up down on the inside. Enigmatic in the middle portion now is Andrew number 9, and this one is Dugu's favorite. Next on line now is Real Heaven, Dagaran Kid comes next. Moving up now is Red Hot Water, Mama's Love, Good Hope, Saba comes next. Play Aday, Play Wal Hakuna Matata is the early trailer by about 15 lengths of the leader. Half mile distance they traveled. We have Green Street. Enigmatic is down on the inside second. Dagatan Kid in the middle portion. Dugu's favorite is Sorry outside. Real Heaven, Mama's Love, Red Hot Water comes next. Fly Aday, Fly, Good Hope, Saba, while Hakuna Matata is still racing in 11th. And at the far turn we have Green Street by about 4 lengths. Enigmatic in second. Real Heaven is down in third. Dagaran Kid moving up on the outside. Red Hot Water, Dugu's favorite as they swing for home. We have Green Street by about 4 lengths. And in second is Enigmatic. Real Heaven, Red Hot Water is on the outside. Last 100 meters we have Green Street. This time by about 6 lengths, followed by Enigmatic. And finally, Green Street. The second, Enigmatic, Red Hot Water. Then comes number 5, Real Heaven, Dagatan Kid, and Hakuna Matata.
Claro. 11, 4, 8, 5, 6, 3.